Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. Short little video here. Past weekend, I had a whole weekend to myself, a whole Saturday and a whole Sunday just to do whatever I wanted to do. So what are you going to do? You're going to knit or you're going to crochet. I wanted one project, just one, that I could start and finish within the weekend. And I saw this pattern and I thought, a sweater in a day? Challenge accepted. So stay tuned. Let's see if I could do it. I got a Saturday, I got a Sunday. I got nothing going on. I got an empty house. All the family is left. And I want one fast project that I can start and finish in a weekend. Now, this project right here claims that you can do it in a day. And I was like, in a day? Cute cardigan in a day? Sign me up. It just so happens that I have a bulky yarn. I made something a while back in this yarn here. I've got it all balled up. It is the Circulo In Love by Circulo. This guy right here. It is, it's a weight of a 5. That's what the pattern calls for, although you can use whatever weight you want to. It just depends on, how many stitches. I want it fast, right? So I'm going with the size 5, or weight of 5. The yarn it calls for is, I think she used an acrylic. This yarn here is 100% cotton. I was like, cool. I love it. Now, I had this yarn before, and I was trying to make a sweater, and it was an epic fail. So I got all of this sitting in my stash, and even a little bit more. And on top of it, I got this guy, because this sweater is two-toned. And I thought, well, I don't have the black and the white, but this could be kind of cute, kind of sandy, beachy, sun and sand together, but it could also be kind of autumny. I was like, all right. And this is also Circulo In Love. Super fun yarn to work with. It's a nubby. It's a weight of a 5. It's 100% cotton. And it doesn't have, it's great for garments. And I thought, okay, I'm going to put these two together and see if I can do it. So stay tuned. Let's take a look and see how it worked out. Well, didn't exactly take the 9 hours that she quotes that it's going to take. But to be honest with you, she knows what she's doing. She wrote the pattern. I didn't know what I was doing. So including the instructions, reading them and then stopping and this and that. It did take me the 2 days, but it took me in total of the 2 days about 12 hours. 12 hours. Took me. I watched Bedknobs and Broomsticks. I watched Mary Poppins. I watched 3 episodes of Call the Midwife, and 1 episode of The Good Wife, and 3 episodes of a 15-minute sitcom. So we'll do all the math, we'll figure it out, and that's how long it took me. But you want to see it? I actually like it. It's really cute. Not at all what I thought. I was like, all right, we're just going to give this one a challenge, see if it's going to actually work. Ta-da! Okay. I'm kind of digging this. I'm really kind of digging this. It is just a basic granny stripe alternating every 2 colors. You alternate the colors. I love the colors together. I love the brown. I love the sunshine kind of going through it. I added on the collar, which she called for, a little bit of ribbing down here, a little bit of ribbing going on down here, and then I just did a slip stitch back loop only here. This is my button, this is my buttonhole side, and then this is the side I'm going to put the buttons on. Come on. So, took her 9 hours. It took me about 12 hours to finish it, but I'm actually going to wear this. I think it's really fun and it's cute, and with the little buttons that kind of go up, little cardigan. How easy is that? Right? You can use any yarn you want. You can use any color you want. She recommends for the pattern a weight of a 5. I used a weight of a 5. I just happen to have this stuff. Absolutely love it. I used 3 of this color and like 3.5. This is what's left of my third. So I had 4 skeins of this, and I used about 4 full, probably tucking into my 5th ball or skein of this guy here. And this is all Circulo. It is called In Love. It's by Circulo, and it's on Amazon. I found it on Amazon, and it's super fun. This color here is called Sunshine, and this one here is called Castanaha. I found this pattern maker on Etsy. I think I originally found her on Pinterest. I followed it through over to Etsy. AC Crochet. I dig. So here's, I printed it out. It was so easy. And I love her stuff. I love the style. It's adorable, super fast, and her patterns are well written. And I'm telling you this because sometimes on Etsy it's a little sketchy. Her patterns are tried and true. Really easy. And it took her 9 hours. She also includes video tutorials with her pattern. I did buy the pattern because I do like to support people, but I didn't need the videos, but you certainly can have them. But she says in the video it took her 9 hours. Took me about 12. I'm gonna go with 12. You know, because you got to break for lunch. Sometimes you got to sleep, you got to take a nap, you got to have dinner, you got to go to the potty, you know, you got to do those kinds of things. So all of those things being said, it took me about 12 hours. Not bad, not bad at all. Maybe we'll go with 12. We'll just go with 12. But that was easily done in 2 days. And I love this sweater. I'm going to be wearing this sweater a lot. I like it. So real quickie, this is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, just showing you, can it be done? Can you do a sweater in a weekend? And I'm here to tell you, friends, yes, yes, indeed you can. This one right here. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more super fun videos. We're going to be doing more book reviews, more tutorials, more whips. I got whips coming up, including this guy right here on this channel. So share us with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. And as always, I'll see you soon.